He's quite a few of them. But before we get there,
What?
Bandai. That's the B word.
Gundam.
This is not actually Gundam.
Oh, that's what I know. What is it? What is it?
It's a dragon. It's a white dragon.
Is it an anime thing?
This is from Digimon, I think. Blue eyes, white dragon.
Blue eyes, white dragon.
Let's have a look at the eyes. Are they blue? There
Crouching,
they are. They're blue.
crouching dragon, hidden blue eyes. Let's go in the top.
All right.
Let's have a look at the box because I don't know much else. Let me have a reach up here.
Okay.
Did
Is
the
it blue
old,
eyes?
Did the old reach around?
Blue eyes. Okay, so this is a.
You know who'd know?
standard
You know who'd
amplified.
know about this?
Who would know about it?
Jeff. We need to get our expert in, Jeff.
What is this?
Digimon.
Dual monsters. I use this from Yu-Gi-Oh. Yu-Gi-Oh cards and stuff.
I'm not sure.
So it's a fairly different franchise.
Is it?
Yeah, we're both wrong. It is a dragon though. Definitely a dragon. So very thick box.
Definitely a dragon. I like it.
I'm pretty confident.
Yep. All right.
Be careful with the sea.
That was that was the line of the day. We're both wrong, but it's definitely a dragon.
You got to be honest.
Mm.
There
All
we
right.
go. Okay, so you got the mouth again, open and close, fully articulated. There's a stand there as well. Let's crack it open. Let's see what it looks like.
We're gonna have a look. Let's jump inside the box.
Look at the color. I reckon that would be hard for everyone to see. It's actually a blue,
It's like an eggshell blue.
super light blue.
Like
Imagine that you put a white wash on it. It looks really good. Is it?
But it's meant to be white.
That looks funky, doesn't it? That's a funky color.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, that's it. You can. Bandai make these best. In my honest opinion, with very little knowledge on the matter, I think Bandai make the best sprues and casting in the world.
Well, there's a famous moldings that they do, which is multicolored. So there's the blue eyes. You got the purple mouthy bits, and over here too, the teeth.
Lots of clear on this.
So
Lots
the
of
clear
clear.
bits, so the bottom clear part, that's actually the base to make it look like it's flying.
Oh, so it comes with an action base.
And that looks like a pretty comprehensive one too.
You like it? Well, you've got time to get this one ready. That shouldn't take you 6 weeks.
Shouldn't it? Well, 6 weeks would be too long.
That's good. You'll get it done.
Yeah. There we go. So this is from Yu-Gi-Oh! Blue eyes, white dragon,
Blue eyes, white dragon.
Yep.
We can confirm
flying
there's
tigers.
a dragon in there.
Yeah,
Very good.
that's confirmed.
What
What
other
else you got?
stuff have you got to make me look silly?
Make you look silly.
Yep.
Oh, people are going to absolutely go mad over this one.
Mad.
Go mad.
What have you got for us, Beach? Aerial. This was the thing that like sold out. Now there's people kicking down the doors and rummaging through the shelves, crying.
Yes, but this was different.
They were crying.
This is a new kit of the rebuild.
But what happened to the old aerial? Didn't they?
Well, they must have had to rebuild it. So this is the aerial rebuild, which
Oh.
everyone is waiting for now.
It's got one of the Mercury sisters in it.
Yeah.
Is that right?
I think she is the pilot.
Ah,
So we actually got these figures back in stock as well. So we've got those in. Let's have a look. Wow, look at the colours.
and it's a hug model.
HUG.
No, HG. Hug. It's the
Oh,
hug
is that
series.
what you mean?
It's the hug series.
All right, you got multicolours.
High grade.
So this is from the new series, which is the Witch from Mercury. Super popular. It's been a long time since a series of Gundam been this popular, where people watch the anime and want the kit straight away.
Straight away.
And these was such short supply in Japan, they actually limited the number that people could buy. And I imagine these would disappear very quickly. So these are only just arrived. They're not even in our system yet. So if you really want one, make sure you mark on the website, notify me when available, and as soon as we put them in stock, you get your chance to order.
You'll get pinged an email immediately, and you can whip yourself into a frenzy and shop
Whip.
up. No?
Mm.
That is awesome.
That's right. What
Aerial.
else?
Oh, I like that box. What's that one?
This is brand new series.
Well, I don't know. I want the other one. The other one looks more me.
What is that? Freedom Gundam, which is a really popular Gundam. And this is in the brand new Master Grade SD range. See the SDs are those small box ones, which are sort of short and stubby?
Yes,
Look at the
yes.
size of the box. So
it's-
this is a Master Grade version of those short stubby ones. So it's got extra bits, extra...
So it's a super detailed comical version
yes.
of a proper Gundam.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, you got
Wow.
that right.
yeah. Look at the size of the box.
Okay, so this... Well, that's right.
How big is it?
Well, from the looks of... Yeah, well...
Master grade. So tell me about master grade.
So Master Grade, so there's different grades of Gundam builds.
Look at this sprue. There's 4 colors on this one sprue.
Yes.
We've got like a nice, beautiful chrome silver.
Yeah,
Like
that's right.
a real
Metallic.
It's beautiful.
Yep.
Then we've got this beautiful grey.
Yep.
We've got this nice canary yellow.
Yep.
And then we've got a fluoro yellow clear.
Yeah, transparent bits.
How good's that? All
Excellent.
under one part stream.
That's it. Okay, so you start off with the SD, which is like this, got the basic range. So they're the small, short, stubby looking ones, comical looking ones. And then we move on to HG, which is high grade. They're 1 to 144 scale. And they're,
What scale is this guy?
That's a no scale. So SD is just that sort of size.
2023. Brand new.
Brand spankers. Brand new in this series. So this is a new series altogether. MG SD. So lots of gimmicks and things. Lots of articulation.
And it's really good if you don't have a whole heap of like space.
No, that's
Other than
right.
for the box. It's
Yes.
a bloody big
and
box.
also it gives you
But-
a complicated build if you like this genre. And then from
and you know I
HD,
do.
you go to MG, which is Master Grade. They're slightly bigger and they have a lot more detail and parts. And then you go up to PG, which is Perfect Grade, which is bigger again, 1 to 160 scale. So this is the advanced version of those SDs. Super
115 mil total height.
advanced. Wow, okay. That's
Tiny,
cool.
11 centimeters.
Yeah, but it'll be taller when it's all stretched out.
Oh, I don't have the stretched out thing. Crikey. You're asking a bit much.
Am I?
I'm glad I just know that there's not a dragon in there.
No dragons, not in that one. There's definitely a dragon in that other one we looked at.
We can confirm.
What else I got?
I'm excited about that one. That looks,
yeah,
that looks a bit of
This
bling.
is more you, isn't it?
It's very bling. Oh, jeez. Look at it. This guy looks excitable. Looks like a star, like just exploding.
This is the second release in the MG EX range. So you know how we talked about MG was a type of grade.
Mm.
This is like the premium grade of the MG. So EX is the extreme version. They've pushed it so that it's got
Let's
a
go
lot
on the
more
top.
gimmicks, a lot more stuff inside.
More stuff.
More stuff. That's what we want. More stuff.
I demanded it, and they
Look
give
how
it.
exciting that box
Look
art
at
is.
it.
So it's a huge box for an MG to start with.
I'm getting on the phone to Vince.
Oh yeah.
This
Now
is Mild Customs. Don't tell me he's gold.
Well,
Got a-
it's
got a-
it's
got a gold-
frame.
It's got a gold undercarriage.
Yeah. So you notice that the gold frame, it's like a model in itself. It's not just bits to build up on it. You see that? So there's a frame itself. And then there's all the armor that goes on the outside. So building one of these really feels like building up the robot. Oh,
I'm trying to get it crisp.
that's pretty crisp.
I'm trying to get it crisp for you.
Look at all the detail in just the frame. Pretty good, isn't it?
Holy
You
smokes.
slide it across. That's what it's going to look like when he
When he full Monty.
puts on all his clothes.
Oh, look.
So that MGSD was a Freedom Gundam as well, right?
A what?
A Freedom Gundam. So
I'm
this is
not
like a
sure.
mini version. That's like a mini version of that one.
Well, nobody can see it because they're all like zoomed in.
No,
Oh,
I
look
can
at this.
see. Like,
Oh, what
Which
am I-
bits? Which
what-
bits
what
are we
am I
looking
looking at here?
are they the different stages?
Copper gold coating, white coating, yellow gold coating.
Oh, they're all the different stages.
I'm sorry, I got to jump in this box and have
yeah,
a look.
let's have a look.
I
Let's
gotta-
have a look.
I can't not jump in this box, Beach.
Go.
Oh,
Oh, that's a really bright gold, isn't it?
ooh, it's like a
And look at
chrome.
all the different golds.
It's like a chrome. It's like a matte chrome gold, a satin
Yeah.
chrome.
Yep.
Can I call it that?
Oh, you already have.
A satin chrome.
Nice.
Ooh, we've got some
I
explosive
got some
stuff.
blingy bits.
Look at that.
Action props.
Some white.
Yep.
I've got like 4 kinds of gold. I don't know what I'm
look at
looking
that.
at.
So that's sort of coppery or bronzy. And then we've got a different gold here again.
I think I found my first Gundam.
There you go. You like that? Yeah, it's pretty nice, isn't it? And they look like water-slide decals.
Yeah. I don't want to go any further because I fear I just won't go back in there.
No?
Because somebody's going to love this and
Yeah,
cherish
so
this.
many bits.
They don't want me fingering their box all day,
No.
poking around in there.
How beautiful is it? All right, so there's the little MGSD.
That is super
And
impressive.
then you've got the super impressive, super special, just released MGEX version.
I'm going
Bling.
to tell Vince about this one.
He's probably watching right now.
Is he?
He'll be on the train straight away.
Ah! You get it.
How
We've
good is
got
it?
6 weeks to get it ready for me.
That's right, just for you.
I can put it in the show with all my other ones.
That's right. What's it we got?
I'm not sure.